Hello everyone, I am going to talk about mockups today. So on the challenge, I got a little frustrated because I was like, where's the smart mockups? Yeah, yeah. So there we go. So I don't know if you're on the call, but hey. So anyways, the apps, so here what I was doing was typing in smart mockups because that's what I used to do. I have my own mockups and all that, so I don't really use them anymore. However, it's just basically mockups, and there's three different places. You can find the mockups if you go to the main page apps, type in mockups, it'll be right there. If you click on your design here, I want to go to elements. We're gonna take that off. And you just scroll down. So I'm up here, just scroll down to mockups right there. Okay. And I'll walk you through this one in a second. But then there is one other thing. And I kind of want to show how cool this is. It wasn't there in mine for a long time. A couple other people I've talked to don't have it yet. So if you don't have it, don't stress. It's coming, I guess. But you can turn any image like if I had an image with my phone like this, something like that, I can make that into a mock-up, okay? So I'm going to show, so if you have any images that you want to use like with your phone, you on a laptop and it shows the laptop or anything like that, I'm just going to go to elements. I'm just going to look for a laptop photo so I can show you how this plays out. Okay, so we're not going to go to graphics. We're going to go to photos, okay? And yes, you can use something like this, and it probably the best thing to do, unless you want a background. And so let's scroll down a little bit. I'm going to do I'm going to do one of just like this one right here. And then I am going to do one. This is pretty. Okay, so we're going to, so that we can see this a little bit. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the image. Then I'm going to go down to edit, or up to edit, not down. I'm going to go to edit on here. Maybe it's my little, okay, edit. There we go. And if I go down, right here is mockups. And I'll open that up and it will say create a mockup template. So I kind of want to do that. So let's do that. I want to use this. Oh, let's detach. Don't, I'm so used to putting it in. Okay, so there we go. Don't have it detached to the background, but let's make it a little bit bigger so you guys can see it at least. Just won't detach. Okay, so there we go. Um, I'm going to create a mockup. So I want to click on that. I'm just going to let it work itself out. And like I said, you can do these with your images too, okay? Does not have to be an image in Canva. It can be one of your images. Anything that, like a telephone, cell phone, laptop, iPad, just a t-shirt, anything that you want to put a picture on, okay? All right, so it gave us a couple different things here. So I think I want to choose this one. It did the mouse pad, did the vase, and then something there. So, but I just want the laptop. Okay, and I'm going to confirm. Okay, so then it made that into a mock-up. And now I'm going to go over to my up. Let's see here. What can we put in there? We can put in, and then it will, I'm not sure if it's going to, yeah, I'm going to have to, but we can edit this. Like I can fit it. There you go. So I could do that. Let's do smart. Let's do fill. I probably just picked the wrong image, of course, because that's just what I do. Make my stuff more difficult. So I am going to detach the image. We're going to try this again. Okay, just so I did that on purpose, right? Right. So let's pick one that will load up, and we'll just delete that. Uploads, and I'm just going to do this one and see how it's working there. There we go. So if you have like a website or something, this would be really cool to put on. Let's try this again. I am going to go to edit. I am going to go down to smart mockups, create your own oh, Canva team images can, okay, well that's good to know. Can't use these, and that's perfectly fine. All right, so not a problem. Now, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to delete that, and we are going to go to Elements, and now we're going to go down, and I'm just going to grab right here, and there's print, smartphones, apparel, computers, home, living, packaging, outdoors. So let's go ahead and go up to print. And like this would be really good for a checklist. So I'm going to move this. So it takes up most of the go. If I want to move it a little bit, I can. And then I'm going to go over to my uploads, and I am going to grab, and I would just put it right into there. Okay, now let's do, I am going to grab, let's do this one, and I am going to go to edit. I am going to go to mockups, and then I'm going to go over here to print. Okay, this one would be really good because it's like a card. So let's go ahead and see how that works. Well, see, it did that. It did it. And then you can do alignment and flip it, but that's kind of cool. All right, I'm going to take this off, and we're going to do this again. So I'm going to go edit. I'm going to go down to mockups. I am going to go to print again because I didn't go all the way down. Let's see. Oh, this would be a good one too. This one too. There's all kinds of. So if I wanted to do this, I can put my own background. But look at all of these. You guys don't have to really, like this is cool. Business card ones. They even have a calendar one right there. So let me find a card. Let's just do this one. Look at that. Look at that. And then you can just like, blow, just kind of position it here. Edit. Let's see here. I think that's perfectly fine. I think we're good. Okay, so there you go. There's all kinds. Look at all that you can just put anything on. These are really good to put on social media. That's cute. Look at all this stuff. I love it. I love, love, love. Okay, so if I want to take that out, I am going, and then I want to try this again. Sorry, guys. Sorry, sorry, sorry. See all? This is really cool. then I'm going to go to my uploads and just pick. Look at this. You can just put anything you want in there. You know, this it's good for showcasing products. Oh, look at that. And you just drag and drop these. Okay, so yeah, take a look of the mock-ups and pick what one works for you.